So Anthropic has put out another ban on all third-party softwares from using their OAuth and their Claude Max and Pro plans to let it have API access. And they just did it again to everyone. Wait, wait, hold on. Is this right? Not everyone. Only a specific competitor. What in the world? So apparently, and I just found this out, I figured it out. Claude Code, the OAuth API that you go ahead and register with, only blocks OpenCode in the system prompt. So I have this gist here that you can actually try out for yourself. But if we go through it, we can kind of see that we set up sort of the Claude Code um, impersonation schema, so that way we can appear as Claude Code when actually sending the messages to the API. You first go ahead and go through and create your OAuth API key, and then it goes and runs some tests. So we've got our run test thing, and we run a test with your OpenCode, your OpenCode, your OpenCode, your OpenCode, and your cursor, your cursor, your pi, your pi, your droid, which are other coding generative programs. So when you run the test, you can see that it is blocking OpenCode specifically. And we're going to test it out because I'm not just going to say it just to say it. I'm going to run this right now. I'm going to open up another ghosty session because if Anthropic is specifically blocking specific companies from using their API, but letting other companies just use it willy-nilly and not enforcing their TOS ban, that is insane to see and have. So we're going to save that code. We're going to run bun install, and then I need to just create a little test directory right here. We're going to do make dir bun add, what is that? OpenAuth.js / OpenAuth. And then here we go. We're going to run it. We're going to do bun run. Oh, wait, I need to move it. MV. We're going to do bun run opencode.ts. So then we're going to go to this Claude OAuth URL, which then will lead us here. And we're going to sign in to my Google account, which has my Claude Pro plan on. And this should let us authorize, and then we get this authorization authentication code. We're going to paste that there, and it is now going to do the tests live. So you can see right here, this is OpenCode, fail. Your OpenCode, fail. Your cursor, pass. Your pi, pass. And your droid, pass. So they are specifically blocking OpenCode in the API and the thing. So if you don't believe me, the link is in the description for this gist to kind of test it out. But Anthropic is, how big is Anthropic? Anthropic, as of 2025, no, as of November 2025, is valued at a $350 billion, not million, $billion valuation. And they are explicitly, they have some code on their API backend that's literally an if statement that says if includes OpenCode block type of thing. That is crazy to see. So I just had to cover this because this is just this is insane. Talk about having beef with an open source company is just insane, knowing that your harness sucks so badly that your open source competitor alternative is just such a menace to you. It's absolutely insane, but I just had to cover that. So yeah, see ya.